So these are all the items that come in your package. It does come with 2 Nylar balloons for you to be able to go ahead and blow up. They are 18 inches long that you can see there. And again, there are 2 of them, so you could actually make 2 designs if you wanted to, 2 hanging lights. This is your lights themselves. They are battery operated. The string that you're going to tie at the very bottom of your fixture. 2 cups, 4 pairs of gloves, or I'm sorry, 2 pairs of gloves, and then the 3 colors of string, purple, pink, and blue. And then it's going to come with your glue as well as the straw. And you can read the instructions to be able to kind of use everything, but basically you're going to place your glue inside of your cup. You're going to use your string to go ahead and dip into the cup. Then you're going to wrap the string around your blown up balloon. Once it's finished, you're going to tie that little piece of purple thing on it, and then you're going to use these lights after everything is dry and everything's finished. And these lights are going to be used as more of like a night light. They are not super bright, but they are LED, and I really think this is going to look great in my niece's room.